Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation on remote work technology, enhancing productivity or destroying work-life balance. I'm Fahril Saputra, serving as your moderator today. Our presentation team consists of Fitriani Kaliki, Andi Saifullah, Waninda, Julianti Lesi, and Faiza Teresa Makatita. From Information System Semester 2, this topic is greatly relevant as technology has fundamental transformed how we work. Before we dive deeply with a brief video that illustrates the remote work phenomenon in our digital era and how technology has revolutionized workplace dynamics.
Employees are demanding the flexibility and freedom to work wherever they want. But distributed workforces create a web of complexities and risks that must be managed. And companies are struggling to meet employee needs and risk losing top talent due to restrictive remote work policies. Companies need a scalable solution that empowers employees to explore the world of remote work possibilities and that doesn't rely on mountains of emails and spreadsheets for HR teams. Whether your employees are working from home, spending part of their time in the office, requesting to temporarily work from another location, or permanently relocating, understanding where work is actually happening is key to ensuring your business is not exposed to unforeseen tax and immigration risks. Introducing Topia's modern, intuitive remote work technology solution that manages the entire remote work lifecycle from end to end. With Topia, your employees can work remotely while staying compliant, and your HR teams have the automation and insights at their fingertips to manage risk and focus on talent. Help your employees explore exciting remote work locations with options based on your company policy. Understand what it is like to work in other locations and learn what is possible. Attract and retain top talent by deploying market-leading flexible work arrangements. Employees can easily submit requests, with Topia automatically pulling in key demographic and talent data from your HRIS using our certified integrations. We automatically assess each request against your own company policy, as well as surfacing any tax and immigration risks, allowing for informed decision-making. After a request has been approved, automated alerts and dashboards ensure work is happening where it should be, protecting the business and your employees from audits and fines in real time. With configurable logic based on compliance rules, risk tolerances, and company policy, Topia proactively guides employees towards acceptable remote work options while streamlining the management process for HR and mobility teams, minimizing effort while providing full visibility. Make remote work a key part of your talent strategy with Topia.
Okay, next, I'll now hand over to Fitriani to begin our presentation.
Key definition. Thank you, Fahril. To understand this topic comprehensively, we need four fundamental concepts. Remote work technology refers to digital tools and platforms that enable employees to work effectively outside traditional office, including video conferencing system, project management software, cloud computing service, and collaborative platforms like Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. Work-life balance is the equilibrium between professional responsibilities and personal activities, what experts define as having adequate time for both care advancement and personal well-being. Digital collaboration tools are software applications that facilitate teamwork and communication among distributed teams. Finally, the productivity paradox in remote work context refers to the phenomenon where increased access to technology doesn't always correlate with improved work efficiency. Since remote work technology became widespread, this paradox has become more evident. Now I'll pass to Andy to discuss the main issue.
Thank you, Fitriani. What we observe today is that remote work technology has fundamentally transformed how we approach professional life. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated remote work tool adoption, making them essential rather than optional. Companies that previously resisted remote work suddenly had to embrace digital transformation overnight. Since the pandemic began in 2020, remote work technology usage increased by over 300% globally, with platforms like Zoom seeing daily meeting participants grow from 10 million to over 300 million. Although traditional office work still exists, hybrid and fully remote models are becoming the new normal. The central issue we face today is whether this technological advance truly enhance our productivity or created an always-on culture that destroys work-life balance. What researchers have discovered is that the answer is not straightforward. It depends on implementation, company culture, and individual management strategy. Let me now hand over to Ninda to explore the specific problems we face.
Thank you, Andy. Always on culture problem. The first major problem we face is they always on culture. Because remote work technology enables 24/7 connectivity. Many employees struggle to disconnect from work. With notification from Slack, Microsoft Teams, and email creating constant interruption. I believe that this constant connectivity is one of the biggest challenges we face today. Indonesia companies report that 73% of remote workers feel perceived to be available outside normal working hours. If employees don't set boundaries, they experience burnout and discredit productivity paradoxically. This creates a vicious cycle where technology intended to enhance efficiency actually undermines it throwing psychological stress and mental fatigue. Now, Julianti will discuss technology fatigue and security concourse.
Thank you, Waninda. The second critical problem is technology fatigue. What mental health expert warned us about is renowned channel Zoom fatigue. Video conferencing will essentially create cognitive overload. Studies show that two big video meetings that last more than 2 hours significantly reduce concentration and decision-making abilities, educational, and we face serious security and privacy concerns. Remote work tools that handle sensitive company data often lack proper security measures. Science conferencing tests ensuring by 400% during the pandemic. Companies using remote work technology face high risks of data breaches and cyber attack. This dual channel of mental exhaustion and security vulnerability creates a conflict problem revealing softening solution. Let me first to Faiza to make Duchen the digital device channel.
Digital Divide Challenge. Thank you, Julianti. Another significant problem is the digital divide. Although technology promises equal access to work opportunities, not all employees have reliable internet connection or suitable home office setup. creating inequality among team members who live in different socioeconomic conditions. This technological disparity affects productivity, participation in virtual meetings, and overall job performance. The gap between digital equipped and under-equipped workers within workplace inequality rather than reducing it. Contradicting remote work promise of democratizing employment opportunities, this challenge is particularly acute in developing countries like Indonesia, where internet infrastructure varies dramatically between urban and rural areas. Now, let's move to solution. I continue with solution for programmers and IT professional. Solution for programmers and IT professional. As future IT professional, we have crucial roles in creating solutions. First, implementing smart notification system. If developers create intelligent notification filtering, they can help reduce information overload. What we need to develop are systems that prioritize urgent communication while allowing non-critical messages to be batched for specific review times. If I were a software architect, I would design applications with built-in work-life balance features such as automatic do not disturb modes and smart scheduling that respect time zone and personal schedules. For enhanced security, programmers must implement multi-factor authentication for all remote access tools, end-to-end encryption for sensitive communication, and regular security audits and updates if companies who had invested in proper security infrastructure earlier. They would have prevented many recent data breaches now. Fitriani will discuss solutions for technology companies.
Thank you, Faiza. For technology companies, we need both short-term and long-term strategies. Short-term strategies within 6 to 12 months include developing wellness integrated platform, tools that include productivity tracking with wellness metrics, implementing all-power scheduling system that automatically optimize meeting schedules based on productivity patterns, and creating offline modes applications that function effectively without constant internet connectivity. Long-term strategies within 2 to 5 years involve building comprehensive remote work ecosystem platform that integrate all necessary work tools while maintaining strict boundaries between work and personal time, developing VR, AR meeting solution technologies that reduce video fatigue while maintaining human connection, and creating all assistant for work-life balance system that monitor work patterns and suggest healthy boundaries. This solution required significant investment but promise substantial return in employee satisfaction and productivity. Now, Andy will present organization best practice.
Thank you, Fitriani. If organizations adopt structured remote work policy, they will see better outcomes. What successful companies implement are clear guidelines about core collaboration hours, response time expectation, technology usage boundaries, and regular digital detox periods. I wish more companies would prioritize employee mental health when implementing remote work technologies. I wish tech leaders had considered work-life balance implications from the beginning of remote work tool development. Organizations must establish comprehensive training programs, created digital communication protocols that prevent overload, and invest in employee well-being programs that specifically address technology-related stress. The key is creating a culture where technology serves employees rather than controlling them. Fitriani will now present our future trends and emerging technologies.
Future remote work technology will be enhanced by artificial intelligence (AI), enabling smart scheduling, intelligent meeting assistant, and predictive wellness alerts. Virtual and augmented reality (VR, AR) will offer immersive meeting experience that reduce screen fatigue while maintaining human connection. Internet of Things (IoT) will power smart office devices that automatically adjust to optimize the work environment. Blockchain will ensure secure authentication and document sharing. Finally, 5G and 8G computing will provide fast, stable connection for seamless remote collaboration. Waninda will now present our technical recommendation.
Thank you, Fitriani Kaliki. Technical recommendation for developers. I recommend designing applications that respect user integration through implementing smart backend of notification, creating intuitive interface tools that require minimal cognitive load, and building accessibility feature ensuring technologies that serve user with different abilities and competencies. For companies, if you implement remote work technology, provide comprehensive training for all employees. Establish clear digital communication protocol guidelines that prevent communication overload, and invest in employee well-being program support systems that address technology reality stress. These technical and organizational recommendations were significantly to create a healthier remote work environment that maximizes productivity while protecting employee well-being. Now, Julianti will present our conclusion.
Thank you, Aninda. Remote work technology present both opportunities and challenge. What we have realizing from research here is technology alone does development, success, implementation, and management strategies are critical. If we use remote work technology mindfully, we can action for native will maintain healthy work-life balance. Science and future of work will remain hybrid. We must cognitive development solution that serve human needs rather than creating education start. I wish future remote work technology will be designed with human well-being as primary consideration. If we had start with this average, we could have found many correct channel. It is feeding blends reflecting technology benefits will establish boundaries that protect our personal lives and mental health. Success defense of continued inflammation rather than passive adaptation. Now Faiza will present our call to action.
Thank you, Julianti. As future IT and SI professional, we have the opportunity to shape the next generation of remote work technologies. Let's commit to design human-centered solutions, prioritizing user well-being in our development process, and creating technologies that empower rather than overwhelm user. What our generation of technologies can achieve is a future where technology truly serves humanity, enhancing productivity while preserving the work-life balance that is essential for human flourishing. We must take responsibility for building tools that support rather than exploit human attention, create inclusive rather than divisive work environments, and promote suitable rather than burnout inducing work practice. The future of work depends on the choice we make today as technology designers and implementers. Now I pass back to our moderator Fahril for the closing and Q&A session.
Thank you Faiza, and thank you to all our presenters Fitriani Kaliki, Andi Saifullah, Waninda, Julianti Lesi, and Faiza Tarisa Makatita. For this comprehensive presentation, our team has explored how remote work technology can be a powerful tool for productivity, but requires with implementation to avoid negative impacts on work-life balance. The evidence shows the technology impacts depend entirely on how we design, implement, and manage it. Now I'll open the floor for question and discussion. Here are some discussion points. We can explore how can Indonesian companies that implement remote work technology will represent local cultural values. What specific programming solution will you develop to address Zoom video in video conferencing application? How do you think artificial intelligence can help solve work-life balance challenge in remote work? Our entire team is ready to answer your question and engage in meaningful dialogue about shaping the future of remote work technology. Thank you for your enthusiasm.
Okay, I am from Group 1 and I want to ask Group 2, what does the term productivity paradox mean in the context of remote work, and why has it become more visible in recent years?
Okay, let me answer the question from the Group 1. The answer is, the productivity paradox refers to the phenomenon where increased access to remote work technology doesn't always lead to higher efficiency. It has become more noticeable due to constant distraction, overuse of digital tools, and mental fatigue from being constantly online.
In conclusion, remote work technology has changed the way we live and work, offering comprehensive flexibility and new possibilities. But with those benefits come serious challenges, especially to our mental health and work-life balance. Us fitur developers, system designer, and discussion makers, we carry the responsibility to create technology that serves us properly, not controls them. Let us move forward with a commitment to both digital environments that empower productivity while also preserving human well-being. Thank you very much for your enthusiasm and time.